welcome to my channel Balamita. Today I have a toy that I bought from Amazon. See, it looks wonderful, right? Okay, let's put the toy aside. Let's see the box. The company name Partivity, product name Hydraulic Paint Launcher. There's some pictures. Some kid is beating the toy. Pepper pen, the toy, syringes. I love it. Can you see the chamber works part DIY? Simple and easy, no glue or tools required. Sustainable materials made with engineered wood, non-toxic, high quality. Made in India and IIT Delhi, Ayumin Venture. Hydraulic system, aerodynamic chisel mechanism. The company's name Partivity, the product name Hydraulic Paint Launcher, and it's only for 6 years old children. The company's other product, can you see it? First one is Geno Bath Wicked Solids, and another one is Marble Child. Company's name HEMT. The things that we do in other side of the box. Okay, and inside the box, high quality wooden sheet, highly illustrated instruction book, plastic cylinder, used part including rubber band for large, medium, blue is medium, and some rubber bag things, not band, and some like button things. Okay, pepper paint, and in you see this picture, lift, touch, drag, gravity. For an aeroplane to keep firing, the force of touch should be greater than the force of drag, and the force of lift should be greater than the force of gravity. It's written on the box. Okay, let's see at the bottom of the box, 2020 Partivity, all right results, actual color may vary. This is pretended pay thing. Okay, let's see inside the book. There is a letter. Dear parent, and now your watching side, let's put it aside. And this is the instruction book. Let's see inside the instruction book. There is some picture how to build the toy, and there's like some things like lesson about hydraulic system, aerodynamic and chisel mechanism. There's like some exercises in the banks there. At the back of the book, there's here your chance to become a. All you have to do is share your video, review of Partivity toy and Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and tag us. Share it with us, WhatsApp or Gmail. See that Chief Ninja, like a ninja. You can become Chief Ninja Chief. This is the toy. I have built it. Okay, if you put it, see, you have to put the syringe. Put the syringe. If you put the syringe, it will go down. If you put the syringe, put the washer, it will go up. See, we have to pull this thing. It's so heavy. I will do it in off camera. First I will tie. I cannot move it. Okay, I will do it in off camera. See, I am trying to do it with one hand. Trying to do it. I have done it. Okay, let's put the bullet inside the rocket launcher, paint launcher. Putting the bullet inside the paint launcher. have put the bonnet in the pen launcher and have to put the children. See what will happen. See, it is for the bullet has fell from this height to that height on the ground. See, this is a super toy. You can buy it in Amazon. It's good for your children. It boosts their intelligence and give them some knowledge about hydraulic systems, aerodynamics, and scissor mechanism. Please buy it in the Amazon. It is a good toy. I recommend it. Okay friends, this is the video. Goodbye.